One of the hardest parts of learning anything new, whether it's grant writing, analytics, or even just figuring out a new tool, is not having someone you can ask questions to in the moment. Today, I want to show you how Google AI Studio can act like a real-time virtual tutor. Using live voice and screen streaming, you can literally talk through a problem out loud, share what you're working on, and get guidance as you go, step by step in context. This is especially powerful if you're teaching yourself new skills, supporting staff or volunteers, or just trying to move faster without waiting for a meeting or a training session. Google AI Studio is free to use. Like most generative AI tools, there is a paid tier, but for everything we're about to do today, the free version is more than enough. To follow along, go to aistudio.google.com/live. When this page loads, it can look a little overwhelming at first. There's a lot on the screen. The good news is we only need to focus on a couple of things. First, look for the icon that looks like a microphone. When you click this, you're allowing Google AI Studio to hear you. This lets you speak naturally, ask questions out loud, and have the AI respond back to you in real time. If this is your first time using this, Google will show a pop-up asking for permission to use your microphone. That's expected. Go ahead and click Allow or OK so the AI can hear you and see what you're working on. Next, we're going to click the icon that looks like a computer screen. This allows Google AI Studio to see what's on your screen, so it can give help based on exactly what you're working on. Again, if this is your first time using this, Google will show a pop-up asking for permission to share your screen. Once both of these are turned on, you're essentially setting up a live interactive tutoring session, voice plus context, rather than just typing prompts into a box. For this example, we're going to use live screen and voice streaming, while Google AI Studio helps me build a graph in Excel. I'm going to talk through what I'm trying to do, share my screen, and let the AI guide me step by step, just like a virtual tutor sitting next to me. Let's jump into Excel and start. When I engage the session, it asks me which screen I want to share. What program am I using?
You are using Microsoft Excel.
Can you help me make a graph?
Sure, I can help with that. First, select the data you want to include, which is from cell A2 to B8. Then go to the Insert tab and choose a chart type, like a column chart.
Great. How do I change the title of the chart?
To change the title, simply click on the chart title text box and type your new title.
Great. All the bars are blue. I would like the bars to represent the color choices. So red, orange, yellow, and so on. How do I change the individual bars to have those colors?
To change individual bar colors, click on a bar to select it. Then right-click and choose Format Data Point. In the sidebar that appears, go to the Fill tab and pick the color you want.
We now have a graph in Excel that's color-coded to match the responses, and we built it live using voice and screen sharing. This was a simple example, but now you've seen how Google AI Studio works in practice, and you can start testing it for your own use cases, whether that's reports, analysis, learning new tools, or supporting your team. One thing you probably noticed is that the voice responses can be a little slower at times. That's normal. And if the AI starts going in the wrong direction, you can interrupt it at any point and correct it, just like you would with a human tutor. The real power here is learning in context as you work, instead of stopping to search for answers later. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel.